According to Wikipedia, Python is a high-level, interpreted, general-purpose programming language. Its design philosophy emphasizes code readability with the use of significant indentation. Python is dynamically typed and garbage collected. It supports multiple programming paradigms, including structured, particularly procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. It is often described as a batteries-included language due to its comprehensive standard library. Guido van Rossum began working on Python in the late 1980s as a successor to the ABC programming language and first released it in 1991 as Python 0.9.0. Python 2.0 was released in 2000 and introduced new features such as list comprehensions, cycle detecting, garbage collection, reference counting, and Unicode support. Python 3.0, released in 2008, was a major revision that is not completely backward compatible with earlier versions. Thank you for using me.
According to Wikipedia, data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms and systems to extract knowledge and insights from noisy, structured and unstructured data, and apply knowledge from data across a broad range of application domains. Data science is related to data mining, machine learning and big data. Data science is a concept to unify statistics, data analysis, informatics, and their related methods in order to understand and analyze actual phenomena with data. It uses techniques and theories drawn from many fields within the context of mathematics, statistics, computer science, information science, and domain knowledge. However, data science is different from computer science and information science. Turing Award winner Jim Gray imagined data science as a fourth paradigm of science: empirical, theoretical, computational, and now data-driven, and asserted that everything about science is changing because of the impact of information technology and the data deluge. A data scientist is someone who creates programming code and combines it with statistical knowledge to create insights from data. Thank you for using me.